Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to understand about traversal algorithms. To be specific, three traversal algorithms. Okay, so no, you might have heard about DFS, BFS, right? So yes, we have those algorithms here as well. We can traverse tree in two ways basically. That is breadth first or depth first. So breadth first is also known as level order traversal. Okay, so as I have written here, we traverse level by level. What do I mean by that? So you have root, okay, then you have child nodes, and then you have another like leaf nodes, child nodes, whatever you can call. So when you are traversing them one by one, level by level, right? Now that is what is called level order traverser or breadth first search. Or you can do it in another way, which is depth first traversal. Okay. Now in tree depth first traversal, we can do in three orders basically. Now, what are those three orders? Okay, so those three orders are nothing but pre-order, in-order, or post-order. So in pre-order, what happens? First, you traverse route. Basically, traverse means you print that particular route node value, and then you traverse to the left side of the tree, and then you traverse to the right side of the tree. Then there is another order which is in order. Here, first you traverse to the left side of the tree, then you traverse the route, and then you go to the right side of the tree. And this is just a note that this order gives you ascending or descending order based on if you serve the values of left or right pointers. Basically, if you do right root or left right, you will get a descending order. If you have like the same that is right there, left root right, you will get a ascending order. Okay, then you have the post order where first you traverse the left, then you traverse the right, and then you traverse the root. Okay, to make it easy to remember, it's a very popular trick that whenever you have this pre, in, or post, right, consider this is the position of the root. Pre means first position should be root only, in means mid position would be root, and post means last position would be root. So now that is just one of the tricks to remember this. Okay, now let's get into the implementation is very simple. We are going to make use of recursion again. Okay, do not underestimate regression, it's very important. Now I'm going to show you how easy you're going to implement all of these three traversal algorithm for the depth first traversal. Now let's do that. Tree dot traverse pre-order. Okay, then we are going to traverse in order and then post order. So let me comment these two for now, and let's implement this pre-order. Okay, let's create that method. As I told you, we are going to make use of recursion, so we are going to pass our root node so that we can start our traversal from there. So what do we discussed about traversal pre-order? What do we discuss about traversal pre-order? First we are going to traverse the root. Okay, so that means root dot val. First we are going to traverse root, and then we are going to traverse the left side, that is root dot left child, and then root dot right child. Okay, now as this is a recursion method, you need a base condition. So if root is equal to null, you basically return, and that's it, I guess. Let's try running our method. Let me delete this, let me run it again, and we are getting our correct traverse pre-order. Let me implement the remaining two as well, right, quickly, so that I can show you whether the order is correct or not. Okay, let's implement this pre-order traverse in order. Now in order, what did we discuss? In order, bro, in order, traverse in order. It will take the root. Let's create this method. Now what will this take? Now as usual, our base condition, if root is equal to null, return the control, else in order, we are going to traverse first left side. Okay, let's traverse the left side first, that is root dot left child. Then we are going to actually traverse the root. That means basically we are going to print the value of the root, and then we are going to traverse the right side. So root dot right side, and that's it. Your in order traversal is done as well. If I am trying to print that, okay, before that let me implement this post order as well. Option enter, create method, traversal post order. Let's pass our root, option enter, create the method. Now as usual, our base condition as root is equal to null. What do we need to do? We need to return. Okay, now what do we need? Now in post order, first we need to traverse left side, then right side, and then root. So let's do that. Traverse post order. First we need left side, okay, then we need right side, okay, and in the end we need to traverse the root, that is root dot value. And that's it. Your all three order traversal algorithms are done. To see a difference between them, let me have something to distinguish. Okay, I just added this so that we can see wherever the numbers are different for each of the traversal. Let me run the program again and we'll see the each of the traversal. Okay, so the first one is pre-order, okay, this one is in order, and this one is post order. So how can we say it is correct? Let's look at this in order, where first we traverse the left side, then root, and then the right side. And as I have told you earlier, right, this in order gives you a ascending order. Okay, so if you look at this output, you're actually getting the ascending order 1 4 6 7 8 9 10. So that's how all of your these depth first search algorithms are correct, and it's very easy to implement these using recursion. By the way, you can do the same operation, this insert, find, and these traversal algorithm, right, using iterative approach as well. You can do it simple using loops. Okay, you don't need to use recursion, but recursion makes our code really small, and if you understand recursion, it's actually easy to understand as well. But again, the recursion understanding has to be there. Let me just give you a recap. Pre-order, first we traverse the root, then left, and then right. In order, first we traverse the left, then root, and then right. In post order, first we traverse the left, then right, and then root. And that's how you're getting these answers. So that's all I wanted to explain as part of this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.